Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore a beautiful mathematical concept called Fourier Series. It is a method that allows us to understand complex functions by breaking them down into simpler, more manageable trigonometric sums. So, what exactly is a Fourier series? At its heart, it is a tool for decomposition. Just like a prism breaks white light into a spectrum of colors, a Fourier series breaks a complicated periodic wave into a list of simple ingredients. Those ingredients are the sine and cosine waves. These are the fundamental building blocks of oscillation. A sine wave starts at 0 and a cosine wave starts at 1, but both oscillate smoothly between -1 and 1. They are pure, single-frequency tones. The magic happens when we add them together. This is called superposition. If we take a slow, fundamental wave and add a faster, smaller wave on top of it, the resulting shape becomes more complex. By carefully choosing the frequencies and heights of these waves, we can sculpt almost any shape we want. Let's look at a classic example, the square wave. It looks sharp and blocky, completely unlike a smooth curve. However, if we add up odd harmonics, 1, 3, 5, and so on, and adjust their heights correctly, the sum starts to look remarkably like a square. The more terms we add, the sharper the corners get. There are two main knobs we can turn for each ingredient. First is amplitude, which is the height or strength of the wave. Second is frequency, which is how fast the wave wiggles. In sound, amplitude is volume and frequency is pitch. Here is what the math looks like. Don't be intimidated by the symbols. The term at the front, a 0, is just the average value. The sigma symbol means we are summing up a long list of terms. We add up cosine parts and sine parts, each with their own specific multiplier. Why is this useful? It is everywhere in modern technology. In audio engineering, it helps us compress music files and equalize sound. In radio, it allows us to filter out noise. Even the JPEG images you see on the web use a version of this math to compress visual data. To wrap up, remember that Fourier series allow us to build any periodic function from simple sines and cosines. It is the bridge between the time domain, what happens moment to moment, and the frequency domain, what the signal is made of. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.